Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, more bearishness, so more updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here. Actually, let me just zoom in here a little bit more and just house clean that line out of there. Sure, it pertains, just not relevant, and I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. First update that needs to be made, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So one of the newest areas of resistance going into Thursday, right up here at $2.32. Although really, even before you focus or, put any sort of energy towards that area in the very near term, that first key level now is right there at 223. So again, 232 is indeed a level of resistance, but like I said, before you even really focus on that one, that first key level that needs to be broken above right there at $2.23. So those will be the two nearer term levels. From the overarching standpoint, it's still all about that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 244. But like I said, that line's not really that relevant. But overall, like I said, for those people that do care about the bigger picture point of view, keep a general eye on that purple line because that is, measuring the overall trend of things right now. And with that purple line now curving downwards, that just illustrates that, the bears are, have taken back over. And then you have this right there where the purple line has crossed down below the pink line. So that is, known as the death cross, if you will, where the 50 period has crossed down below the 200 period. Now, that doesn't mean that the price is for sure dropping further and further. But from a technical point of view, when you see that sort of action, not the ideal situation. As far as next levels of support are concerned, that is where this area down here at $2.15 comes into play. You can see that the last time the price was down here was literally several weeks ago, and now the price is definitely within striking distance. If the price does not hold above there, I'm just curious. I think that puts it at lows that have not been seen for, literally years at this point. So 215, I don't want to get too ahead of ourselves because the price is holding above it. But yeah, just understand that if the price does not hold above 215, then that would, like I said, literally, as you just saw there, be putting the price at lows that have not been seen for well over a year. But we'll see what happens with it right now. But as of now, a whole lot of downwards pressure. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.